Hello guys, I hope you all will be well and fantastic. Welcome to all of you on my new YouTube channel Hey Ishwar Tera Shukriya. My name is Harsh and I am going to teach you how can we learn English in easy way. I will tell you the most important points in this video. How can we learn English in easy way. So let's go ahead. Okay guys, the channel name is Hey Ishwar Tera Shukriya. And our today's topic is how to learn English. Okay guys, the first point is reading. We all know that if we want to learn English, so we have to read English books, quotes, facts, stories, etc. And these all are so important to learn English as we know that. Okay, let's go to second point. Second point is listening. If you want to learn English, so please begin the listening to English music, poem, podcast, etc. You can listen anything in English that you want. Please believe me, it will be so much helpful for your English. Let's go ahead now. Okay guys, now we are watching third point. Third point is writing. If we want to learn English, so we have to write something in English, like any kind of letter, introduction of yourself, any kind of letter or article. We can write these all things in English. Okay, now let's go to the fourth point, speaking. We have more way to learn English, that is speaking. Do you know when you will speak to anyone in English, that time you will be better than before in English. So find those friends who can communicate to you in English. See in the mirror and talk to your own self. After a week, you can see the positive trend in your self. Okay guys, so let's go to the fifth point, that is environment. Try to find the environment of English speakers where you can communicate to others. Okay, like I found a FEA, Freedom Employability Academy. It's very nice institute who teach to children in free of cost. You can search about it nearby you because it has so many branches in that. So you can contact on that link https. You can search about this all. Okay guys, let's go ahead now. Let's go to the last point and the most important point. Okay guys, it is the most important point, that is practice. Because I can tell you some things, but you have to do struggle. You have to give your efforts in that work. Then you can learn English properly. Because I can tell you only, but you have to do. Nobody can do this work for you. You have to do for your own self. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. Okay guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hey Ishwar Tera Shukriya. See you in next video.